Actually, that looks pretty good. Okay, I'm sorry.
Quality. Betty just doesn't know how to hold a slice of pizza.
All right, Camp Griddlemore, a few months ago, Sean and I went into the woods and we made a pepperoni pizza that came out pretty close to perfect.
It looked good.
It was good, but now we are in a strange state with strange ingredients, and we're making a chicken bacon ranch pizza, which I'm gonna confess, I have never made before, but we have Blackstone Betty here.
We're gonna make it.
To guide us. Will you guide me?
I'm gonna guide you. I'm gonna help you zhuzh it up. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be perfect.
I don't want to burn the bacon. I don't want to become the burnt bacon guy.
No.
All right?
We already have CJ for that.
I don't burn the bacon!
Let's get camping and let's get cooking. Let's get this chicken bacon ranch pizza started by getting the chicken on the griddle, but we got to season it first. We're going to use the Blackstone Tuscan Herb and the Parmesan Ranch. I'm using avocado oil spray because I couldn't bear to buy the $20 bottle of avocado oil last night. And we're going to get the chicken down on medium heat and get that cruising. Then after that, we are going to go down with the bacon and the onion and get that sizzling as well.
That I already chopped up for you because that's a shortcut, right? We like shortcuts. This you could prep and put in your fridge before you're ready to make your pizza. Perfect for camping.
So now that the chicken's done and the bacon and the onions are done, let's get that off the griddle, turn the griddle off, and start thinking about our pizza dough. Now again, this pizza dough is just very different than anything I'm used to working with, and I gotta tell you, I'm having a little bit of an awkward time getting this thing stretched out, so Betty, you're gonna have to come in and help me with this.
I'm gonna see what I can do. There's different things. We've got humidity down here in Florida that we're not used to, on top of the fact that this pizza dough was sitting out because we're doing a lot of videos with the team, so different things are gonna factor into this, but one tip is using a fork to pierce through the middle or the entire pizza without going completely through is going to help you avoid the center of your pizza bubbling up. And then I like to go over it with some extra virgin olive oil.
And some of the Tuscan Herb Seasoning.
Yes, you want to season that pizza dough. Rub it around with your fingers just quickly. And now some cheese for our first
round of cheese.
Yes.
And you knocked that pizza dough into shape, and I got to give you credit for the assist on that.
Maybe went a little too big, but we'll see.
All right, before we put our chicken and our bacon and our onions and all of those good things on this pizza, we want to get it up onto our pizza peel with some semolina flour, which Betty insists will work better in this Florida weather.
It will. And once you get it up here, you want to make sure that if you just give it a little shake, it keeps moving around. That way you know once you're ready to launch, it'll go right in.
You get a nice clean launch on the pizza.
Yes.
So our chicken has been resting. We've cut it up into really small pieces here, and that is ready to go on top of our pizza along with the bacon and onions. And also please notice, we did not fully cook the bacon because the bacon's going into the pizza oven at 700 degrees. We're using the Leggero.
Don't be shy with that bacon and onions. Give me some more.
Load
it up. Those
might
are
as well
my
use all of
favorite.
it.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. All right, so now we are ready to launch our pizza, and we've got the tabletop pizza oven at 700 degrees. We're going to launch the pizza, and what I think is very clutch for this smaller pizza oven is then to turn the heat all the way down to low so that everything cooks evenly. I'm going to close the door on this for about a minute, and then I'm going to open it up and watch it like a hawk until it is done. Betty, come take a look with me. Let me know what you think, if this is looking good.
I think it's looking really good.
Okay.
I am so excited for this.
All right, this pizza is looking ready to go, so let's pull it out and finish it off with our ranch
You gotta
and a
zhuzh
little
it up.
toast dust. Betty's going to help me zhuzh this thing up a little bit, and then we are ready to eat and enjoy.
Fresh herbs, some oregano over the top, and some Parmesan cheese, and it looks so ready to dive into.
We had to work with store-bought dough. That was the compromise we made here, and you were teaching me about humidity in the air and all that stuff. But let's try this and see how
I'm
it
excited.
tastes.
I'm no Leo, but
My first chicken bacon ranch pizza with a major assist from Betty. Okay, it's really not bad. It is pretty good.
What
It's
do you
pretty
mean it's
solid.
really not bad? It's good. Give yourself
It is
some
very good.
credit here.
It is very
It's
good. Look, we got the airy crust. Okay, I am spoiled by the pizza dough I can get in New Jersey at local pizza
NPA.
places. NPA. But this came out great. Promise me we can cook again.
Come to my house. We'll do it family style. And I'm going to come down to Jersey with you and maybe go glamping.
Yeah.
I'll agree to glamping.
Betty has made it clear she will not go camping, but she will come
We'll
glamping.
see. We'll see. We'll
All right.
get there in time.
We'll see you all next time at the campground. Thank you so much.